Hey y'all, today we are at Ollie's and we're also going to be going grocery shopping, but we're at Ollie's first and the first thing I saw were these pillows. We are redecorating our home and like redoing the colors and everything, and a lot of these would work for what we're doing. We're going with pink, gold, silver, like a sage green, and then a blush pink and a kind of like a cloudy blue color, like a dusty blue color, and they had all sorts of that here today. They also have tons of organization, so I'm going to share that with y'all too. If y'all don't have a store like this, that's okay. There are so many places like this everywhere you go, so definitely look online to see if you have any type of liquidation stores that get all that overflow from places like Walmart, Target, etc. We saw so many things in here today that were from Walmart, specifically stuff that they didn't sell as like Christmas gifts, those prepackaged gifts. And then a bunch of these lamps were also from Walmart, which was pretty cool. Really liked these. They were $20 a piece. And then this tree lamp I thought was pretty cool. And then Erin found these lampshades that looked like they would go great with these bases right here. What do you call those? The things that you put a lampshade on? The lamp? I don't know. Anyways, we're just going to show y'all around in here, give you some ideas and inspiration, and then we're going to hop over to Food Lion and do our grocery shopping.
Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay with me.
Can y'all believe they already have their spring and Easter decor out? It is so early, it's only January 19th, but I'm here for it. I'm not ready to decorate at all. I haven't even decorated for Valentine's, but I think it is so cute when they bring stuff out because I just love to see it, especially Easter because it's all the really pretty pinks, blue, and green and yellow colors, and I just love that.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should.
These two-tier trays would be perfect for a bathroom or a vanity, and they were only $6.99. They also had single-tier trays that were a little bit wider, and they were only $4.99. So great deals on trays. I know we went to TJ Maxx recently, and their trays ranged from like $12.99 to $16.99. Granted, they are beautiful, but we did head over to Ross and noticed that their trays were only like $7.99. So Ross is definitely more affordable than TJ Maxx. Think if you have both of those in your area, hit up both of them and go to Ross first because you may find a better deal there. And then I was so pleasantly surprised to see Physicians Formula in here. That's another really good name brand, but look at all the stuff they have. I'm assuming this is a bunch of stuff from Walmart that they just didn't sell for the Christmas season. And then we just scrolled over here, strolled over here to look at the heaters, and then they always have more decor in the back. This wreath was so pretty, $20. Thought that was a good deal. And then they had a little bit more spring stuff back here as well.
Before I'm too invested.
I recently sold to Viking Does Part Share her round mirrors. These were only $14.99 and they're a pretty large size, great to accent a big wall. And they had it in like a really dark, I don't even know what you would call that. It's in between brown and black. And then, but I've seen her mirrors where they have those little almost like beads on the outside. So when I saw the beads on that one, I thought, oh, that's like a good kind of dupe there if you wanted a more budget friendly one. And then I saw that they have like faux shutters, which is very clever.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately.
I don't know about y'all, but when organization is cute and colorful, it makes me want to use it. Those bins were only $2.99 and so cute. I have seen some like that at Dollar Tree, so definitely check there if you want to find like one that looks similar. I don't know if they're a part of that. You know how some items at Dollar Tree cost more than $1.25 now? I don't know if they're a part of that, but those were $2.99, so you may get a better deal at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. All sorts of organization stuff, though. I didn't realize at the beginning of the year, you have like all the health and fitness people going on. And then it seems it runs right into spring cleaning organization, and I love it. It's given me so many ideas and things I want to do because once we get done with the majority of our home updates, I want to go back in and start getting things to organize the home because we plan to be here indefinitely, you know, unless for some reason we would need to move somewhere else. So I'm really wanting to put all my love and attention into the home that we have. Love these pretty vases. This one specifically, I love the detail on there and the little blue accent at the top. So just love it. I'm trying to find more words to say than just like, this is cute. That's why I don't talk too much in my shop with me's anymore, because if I did, all y'all would hear is this is cute over and over again.
So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming. Cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's a sleeping way. Oh, why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine. But I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around. Because it matters, dreaming of your kisses. Knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still alive. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around. Because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime. wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the
Moving on to Food Lion, there was one near the store we were at, so we came to a different one than we normally do. So we grabbed some hamburger meat and some drinks. We're going to have tacos.
what it takes, make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just
We also needed some ketchup, so we grabbed that too. I'm sharing this as like a shop with me / a haul at the same time. Aaron grabbed some taco shells and then also the Ortega taco seasoning he really likes. So good. And then we picked up a lemon supreme cake. I think that's what it's called. They are so good, y'all. If you haven't had one yet, amazing. So we had to get some, what do you call that? Not whipped cream. It's the whipped icing. But we needed some vegetable oil too, and these prices are insane. So we got the cheapest one they had, which was still $3.99. Can you believe it? That is a lot. Okay, back over here because I forgot the icing. I was trying to find a good cost-effective one. So this cream cheese one was only $1.89, so we grabbed that. And then Aaron picked out some chicken strips. Normally he fries those and we just have like chicken tenders. We got some lunch meat and pepperonis for sandwiches. That actually sounds pretty good. That's probably what I'm going to eat after I edit this video. Then we needed to pick out some bread, and there's so many options. Which one do you even choose? We ended up getting the Nature's Own, which is the one that we almost always get. We also like the Sara Lee, and there's one that has, it's the potato bread I really like. It's almost yellow looking on the inside. But we ended up getting the white wheat, I think is what it's called, or healthy white, something like that, from Nature's Own. It is super windy outside today. I don't know if y'all can hear that in the background. Then we got some jelly. I think we always get the preserved kind. And we got the strawberry. Yep, strawberry jam, so not preserved. And then Score, these banquet family meals for only $2.99. Normally they're $3.79. So we picked up quite a few of those, the meatloaf ones and the barbecue.
I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been
We also grabbed some shredded cheese, which I don't think I filmed.
Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you.
Alright, so that's it for our groceries this week. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you back here in the next one. Bye!